Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Grading Basics. So, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how you can verify your account on Etoro. So, what you're gonna do is just go to your Etoro website. So, just type www.etoro.com and then log in with your account. Then, you'll be having two options over here. So, either you can go to the left hand side and there you'll be having option which says complete profile, or you can go over here which says verify your account is start investing and the verify button. So let me go with the verify button. And so I have completed half of the steps. So half of the steps include your address, your profile. Just go next, next, and in my case let me just go with the never option, then next again, and so it says your various investing experience, let's say 10 1 to 10, like this. Just do some options and like that, or let's say on all is, and please mark the correct statement. Just read all of these and go with the one that you feel it's okay, that statement. Let me see. Okay, let's go with this one. Then parentheses stop and what you have like planned for the investment. In my case it will be the stocks, and let's see this. So you have to do some takings over here. So this, and how much you plan to deposit in your Etoro account over the course. So let me just select this one. And then next, this, like this. I or any other. So take which one do you is okay. And then source of income, let's say in my case salary, done. And occupations, let's say let's just go with any of this one. Let's say student, right? Annual income, your everything, just go like this. And then just choose confirm and just choose complete verification. It will ask you to do this is the last step, and after you verify your phone number, your account will go to the verification process and it will take 2 or 3 days to verify your account. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching and stay safe, guys. Until next time, see you.